What's up? I'm back, and did you enjoy that new intro? I don't know. Maybe. Yes. No. I don't know. So, we are back with another Madden Mobile video. It's been laggy lately, so I'm really hoping for something spectacular. I might open, like, some Pro Packs or Snipe. I'm trying to complete that legend set, but that TJ Yeldon is so much money. Or should I do my Road to the Million? Let's just do this. I won't do Road to the Million right now. We'll do that, like, tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow is Road to the Million 2 or 3. I'm not sure what episode I am on. I think it's 2. Wait. No way. Sell. Please sell. He has good stats, so why would anyone want to buy him? I bowled for a pro back earlier, so I actually am going to test my luck and go with a pro back. I've been lucky lately, so pro. Am I a pro for my pack? My jokes are terrible. I hate getting. Well, I mean, it's an 80 over. I'll take it, but I'd rather get a 99 Vic. Who wouldn't? Hate the middle. That's why I hate the middle. That's the one reason I hate. So, that is going to complete that set. I am excited for this 10 trophy back. Hoping to get some elite trophies. Hoping there's gold. That's a lot of golds. I will do a large quick sell for you guys. Hoping for some good luck. Great. Whoa. Do I have enough? No, I do not have enough silver trophies. But all is well. I have enough bronze trophies to trade in. Or actually, I won't do that actually. How about I test my luck? Come on, test it. Oh! What a great pull. I might even be able to do another large quick sell. Probably not with the little baby. Hope for something good. Ugh. I have to do another one. It's a lot. I'm glad my luck is good, but I need 25 of these. I think I do have enough. Holy crap, yeah, I do. Clean, blah. Oh, what am I going to get? Oh, what a pull. It's like I didn't know it was coming. I've got 3 1Ks in a row from my last pro pack. Hopefully, I get something spectacular. Not like a 1K again. I think, is that 3 or 4? I'm not sure. Let's just go to sets. That's 4. Gladly, I got enough. I need one more. Is it my 50th large quick sell? Who knows? Alright. This is my 44th. Hoping for something great. It's time to be great. Time to be great. I should just shut up right now. Because I'm mad. Whoa. 2K. This is my league, blah. 6K away from the elite QB, yay. No, I'm just kidding. That we are actually good ranked. Look at that ranked. 17-2 in our record, and we are under 2K. This is just great. I mean, I would rather be in the Madden Hall of Fame than in the Madden Hall of Fame. Yeah. Let's just sort of compare. So they got I think they got this league got Evan. Let's check the worst guy. Yeah, they got Evan. Whoa, he has 92. JJ Watt. It's 90. I think. Yeah, it's 90. Aha. Ooh, but he has better stats. Ooh, 99 speed, 99, 98 ball carry vision, but this is actually a great card. Anthony Nunez, I have him. Ooh, he's better. Finally got one better. Let's see this guy. I pulled this guy from Pro Pack. That's fun. I've never pulled the legend. Hope I can do it someday. I really want to. Well, anybody does, right? I really want this thing to sell under 7 minutes. So I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Hope you all enjoyed my two pro pack opening and 2 large quick sells. Got nothing good, but that's all right. That's all that matters. That we have some subscribers.